So far, we're doing a whole bunch of leaf cleanups, and that's the majority of the content that's getting created right now. So if you like that sort of thing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's go. myself, I think I'm gonna head off to get some lunch. This is the first one of the day. What do you guys think? Let me know. Did not anticipate there to be this many leaves here. Thank goodness that it was dry out here. So I think I only clogged up once with the Exmark, and that was only because there's a stick that got caught in the tube. If you guys do notice that the Scag Windstorm is not in here, it is at the shop right now being fixed. I will be doing a review video finally on the Scag Windstorm coming up pretty soon. I have pretty good working knowledge of what I like about it, what I don't like about it. Mostly positive, but there are definitely some huge negatives. That's especially why one of them, actually two of them, it's in the shop right now. And it's not the dealer's fault, it's Scag's fault, and I'm pretty ticked off at Scag because it's an issue that should never have happened, and they knew about it, which even ticks me off that much more. You spend that much money on a blower, on a stand-on blower, and they know a part is defective. Yeah, it's pretty disappointing in the Scag. That being said, if I would have had that blower here, I would have used it. I would have used it around the wood line over by the lake area to blow some leaves towards that wood line and save a little bit of time sucking some stuff up. I would have used it at that last spot right there where my dump pile was. I would have used it to disperse that in probably 30 seconds to a minute instead of spending 5-10 minutes over there. Yeah, pretty disappointed with Scag, but yeah, stay tuned for that video, I guess, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. In the comments below, let me know how I did. God bless. Take care. Michael Douglas, Douglas Lawn Care. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.